Hey, Hossy. Hey, how you doing? Is it even recording? Yeah, I think. Alright, we got about to start. Ready? Oh wait, time out.
It's still recording.
I don't think it is. Is it? Yeah, it is still recording. Look, it's been 30 seconds and that happened already.
Stop it! It's
It's still recording.
You guys ready? I'm gonna spike it off the freaking trampoline.
Oh, watch out!
Dude, look, come on,
Birds! Hey, how you doing? Is there a dead bird? Is there something dead over there? Hey, how you doing? This is a documentary. Today, folks, we'll be learning about the circle birds. Today, what they do, usually, they fly around in circles. Usually when they smell something dead. Yeah, that's pretty much about it. They have wings. They fly. They circle around. When they smell something, that tells you better go get the out, cause you know why? Cause you're dead. You're screwed. If you got shot, you're dead. They'll eat you. Well, goodbye.